We'll put this in there. Welcome back to my channel. Today is, what is today's date? Thursday, March 14th. It is about noon time. Alex is going to be getting ready to go down for a nap here in a little bit. So if you hear any whining and crying in the background, it's probably because he's tired. These are the worst to talk in. But so on today's video, we're going to decorate this very small entryway together. We just moved here in May, and I'm slowly putting our house together, decorating, you know, different areas in the home, and this is our project for today. There's not a whole lot of space here. When guests come over, they take their shoes off, and they were just like getting scattered all over the entryway. People were tripping. They didn't have anywhere to sit down and put their shoes on. I purchased this sign. It says hello. It had a really cute floral arrangement. Actually, it wasn't that cute because that's why I took it out. That was sitting in here, and what I'm doing is I took the floral arrangement out and I'm replacing it with this, just some greenery, because I am obsessed with plants. And I'm just gonna pop it in there. This is the little LED light that comes with it, and I just kind of weaved it like so. Next up, we're going to put together this bamboo shoe bench. So this is very similar to the shoe rack that I currently have sitting there. It's about the same size, except for the only difference is, this does not have a bench where you can sit down and put your shoes on. I feel like that's very important because guests come in when they're leaving and they want to sit down and put their shoes on, especially like in the winter time when we have boots. You have shoes on. He spotted his Nikes behind him. He wants to put those on. So let's put that together. We're gonna take a little break from decorating because I need to get our dinner in the oven. It is only 1:18, but Carlos has been coming home from work hungry, and also I have been going to CrossFit at 5:30 p.m. So it's nice to have supper ready, prepped, and done, so I don't have to worry about doing it after CrossFit. So we are gonna make this baked chicken parmesan recipe that I found on Pinterest. Doesn't that look yummy? So let's get to cooking. I already mixed together the seasonings while Alex is having a little lunch over there. So that is what it looks like. It is breadcrumbs. I did get real Parmesan cheese and grated that myself. Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and also salt and pepper. So I need 2 pounds of chicken. Please do not judge my cooking skills. I am not a chef at all, which is why I use Pinterest for all of my recipes that I find. Somebody loves chicken, and his name is Kiko. Branch Basics. This is the dishwashing soap. I purchased this and then also decided to get the little container that goes with it. I love this stuff because it's non-toxic and it also has this rubber bottom. So for example, I just have Dawn dish soap in this one, but the bottom gets really gross when it gets wet. I actually need to just toss this one out and buy another one of these with the rubber bottoms. So get Branch Basics, definitely try this. Get the little container that goes with it. I have about 14 minutes until the chicken is done. Look at this. I put Alex in his pack and play because he ate and then he spit all of his juice all over the floor. And then our outdoor area back here where the dogs go in and out is super muddy and it's a rainy, gloomy day. I just let the dogs back in and look at this mud that they tracked all the way to the garage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my floors with this Hue and Grace multi-purpose cleaner. This is also a non-toxic product that I absolutely love. I use it on everything, my counters, my bathrooms, the bathtub, my kitchen floors, absolutely everything. So I'm gonna spray it on the floor and give this floor a quick little I just had to do a little water refill, so I just put water in here. I do not use the recommended floor cleaner. I just did some research and the floor cleaner had some chemicals in it that I wasn't a fan of. A lot of them which cause allergies and stuff. So I just do water and then that floor cleaner that I showed you, and then everything, all the dirtiness goes into this container. You take it apart and you clean it really quick. It was full, so I had to empty that. Okay. Now to finish up. Meat. That's the chicken. It has marinara on it, some mozzarella cheese, and then I have these rolls that I purchased that I thought that they would be yummy on. They're just the New York brand, New York Bakery. These have 7 fat, which is kind of high because I'm having 2 rolls. 15 carb, that's not bad. 5 grams of protein, that's per roll. So I love that for me. I had a very high protein, low carb, low fat breakfast because I knew that I was gonna have something like this for my lunch and supper. So I'm gonna dig in and then we will finish decorating. I love this bench. It's cute and it literally came with absolutely everything you need to put it together. I didn't have to run around the house and search for any tools. That is what I need in every single piece of furniture or home decor that I put together. That is a girl's dream. Are you pooped? Just rolling around on the floor. You're just casually hanging out with Keela, doing, copying what she's doing. I wish the lighting was a little better, but You excited, Kiko? Your little nub, huh? Look at that cute little nub. You happy, buddy? Huh? Are you? All right, all done. I have the bench put together, and I added a little pineapple just to have something for decorations. I also added this little greenery piece, just kind of placed it on here like this. Super simple, super cute. And then for my door, I've got keys there. I just need a spring, like something to hang on the door right there, I think would be super cute. And then in place of this one, I want to get like a spring mat, but this will do for now. Super cute. I love it. All done. I do want to show you the flowers that were originally inside that vase were these flowers. Spring, so if you like pops of colors, you can definitely switch this out. In springtime, you can put whatever you want in there. You know, in the winter time, or even for Christmas, you could do like a winter floral arrangement. I think that would be super cute, but this is it. Oh, freaking done. There's my small little entryway. All right, that's gonna conclude this video. I want to thank you for joining me today. We decorated, we made some chicken parmesan, we watered the plants, and now I am ready to go to bed. So, good night all.